So we'll wait on everybody to come back in here.
All right, Jack, come in.
Which cupcake do you want? Which one's the cutest one for you? No. Of course. This one or this one? Which one? Oh, I just want to get to.
All right, Mom, just light it. We're all wanting.
All right, let me light it. All right, is everybody ready to sing?
Yeah.
All right.
It's her birthday. Early birthday present.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
All right, blow it out. Oh, that was great.
Hey, we got you a present. You should open it.
Sorry.
We're also going to make it really complicated to open. I'm just kidding. You got it.
Oh, I guess I was good job.
Just go for it. There
Just
you
go for it. Do I know what this is?
I
I don't think so.
think you'll know what it is when you open it and look at it.
Yeah. Yeah, once you read what it is.
But I don't think you know you're getting it.
Oh, here's the.
It's
Oh,
a new car.
you get a card. You get a
there?
Woo!
Yeah.
The whole neighborhood knows what you got!
Do not throw it in the floor and break it, knucklehead.
She's crying, crying.
This is worse than mine.
That's how you're videoing it? Because you did this shit. That's how you're doing it.
See, that wasn't what we were going to do.
Is she crying?
Yeah.
Are there tears? You are such a domesticated dork.
Woo! Let's make smoothies. Is it a Vita blend or a Vita mix?
You might be the only person who's ever cried after getting a blender. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, Emily, I think you just
You're gonna think you won the lottery.
I think you just topped my video.
Wow!
Right there.
We're
Yeah,
making
you,
smoothies.
Oh, careful,
you need to
careful.
put this on YouTube.
But over.
It's rock.
Send it to Vitamix.
Yeah, for real. You get another bite.
You could be on a commercial.
I keep telling her.
#1 fan.
Well, I was like, okay, Christmas. It's got to come for
She was
Christmas.
crying.
Royal awesomeness! Right here.
Oh man, that's good.
Send that to Vitamix.
Just go for it.
house is shaking.
Happy
Yeah.
customer.